Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a document. Once you've logged into Onshape, please make sure you're looking at your Onshape or your content. In the upper left, there should be a blue button that says Create. If you click on this, you can move down to Document. If you want to create a folder, import files, import forms, projects, or labels, you could do these. I would recommend, though, just starting out your project as a document. So I'm going to click on Document. What we need to do now is we need to tell it whose is it, what class is it, and who, when, what. Okay, who, when, what. Okay, so who, last name, first name, Stetzer, my name, my last name, Mr., my first name, and then who, when. So I'm going to say R4 because currently I'm in rotation 4. Please put your class or your room number. Okay, so if you're in virtual 1, 2, or 3, please put V1, 2, or 3, and then please put, if you're in a room for in-person, please put your room number specifically so that I know where to get your projects to once they are completed. So who, last and first, what, or who, when. Now we need to know what. So we are creating keychains. I know it's Stetzer, Mr., rotation 4, keychain. Okay. Once you've done this, click OK, and it's going to switch you to our document. It may take a second to think. This is a high-functioning, high-processing program. In the center of our screen right now, we can see what's called our graphics area. Okay? This graphics area has three different planes of existence. Our right, front, and top. These are the different angles that we can look at something. Okay? So our front view is commonly our best view to work with, or our best view of an object, because it's our most natural position, longest dimension, fewest hidden lines, okay? Things like that, where we can really get a great representation of that. You think of it like a pickup truck. The grill of your pickup truck isn't what we'd actually see as the front view, because it doesn't give us much description. It doesn't tell us, does that truck have 2 doors or 4 doors? Maybe it has 6. Okay? We don't know. We can't see from that view. Okay, if we're looking at the grill. But if we think of the front view as the passenger side or the driver side, then we can see how many doors it has. Does it have a long bed, a short bed? Does it have a topper, a tonneau cover? What does that really look like? Okay. So these are our planes of existence. If you hover over them, you can see that they highlight orange to say that we have them selected, and then you could select those to draw from. In the center is our origin. This is our only consistent point of reference right now. The coordinates for this, like on a Cartesian coordinate plane or on a chart, would be 0, 0, 0. So our x is 0, our y is 0, and our z is 0, because it's giving us 3 dimensions. Okay? To turn and to view these at different angles, we can use in the upper right, this is called our view cube or view orientation cube. You can see we have front, top, right, and we also have opposite of these. You can use these little arrows to turn this. We have back, bottom, and left. I can click on any of these, and these will turn me directly to those areas or to those angles. I can click on the edges, and it will flip it around. I can click on the top, and it should flip me. I may have to use the arrows a little bit. Okay. If you have a computer mouse, you can hold down the left button and you can drag. Okay. If you don't, you won't really have this option. You can click with your keypad. You can click and move this or rotate it in these standard views. Okay. I can also click this drop-down arrow where I can find different specified views like isometric, dimetric, and trimetric. These are 3-dimensional views that can assist you with finding the different angles of an object. In our next video, I will explain our toolbar and our tree.